Patrick, this clam is choking.
You always give a choking victim the slime lick maneuver first.
A 13-year-old boy with autism says that SpongeBob SquarePants taught him how to save his friend after she started choking.
She was choking in his mouth, so I saved her life.
Brandon Williams performed the Heimlich maneuver on his classmate Jessica Pellegrino when she began choking on a piece of apple at their school cafeteria in Staten Island.
Where did you learn how to do this?
SpongeBob SquarePants cartoons.
He saw that Jessica was choking, and he came up and told me that he saw it on SpongeBob SquarePants, and I believe it was the episode with one of the instruments that he was choking on.
Do you remember the episode? What was the episode like?
One day, just shoved his food in his mouth, and then I saved her when they put on his belly. So she choked her throat. He's coughing, and I get it in his mouth the whole time. I get it out, and I saved her life.
Got it.
Brandon and Jessica are good friends, and Brandon always looks out for everyone at school. They even honored him for saving Jessica.
He was very proud of himself and the whole class, and we had a little party for him, a celebration.
Who would have thought a cartoon like SpongeBob would help save a girl's life? Be sure to watch Inside Edition.